Hi, my name is Kingston Semu. I am 32 years old and also married. I am from Zimbabwe, working in South Africa as a forklift driver at Maton Citrus Packhouse. I've got 6 years working at Maton Citrus. I'm also hard worker, quick learner, and multitask. My short-term goal is to get a job in reputed company, and my long-term goal is to achieve a high position in the same company. Thank you.